The emotions locked away deep inside his heart expand little by little, moment by moment. However, there's a limit to how much his emotions can take before leaking out and going wild. And now, an emotion is swirling around inside him like a torrential hurricane, going past the limit. That emotion is rage.
To think you were such a powerful Esper! No wonder the smile mask didn't work!
Didn't work? So the mask itself had a trick too. I didn't even notice the hex because it was so weak. Nah, whatever. If the policy of your religion is to kill outsiders, come at me with everything you've got. You might find that task a hell of a lot easier than making me laugh.
Come at me with everything you've got? I'm only going to need about 2 seconds to make you disappear, brat! Emotionless livestock, don't act like you're actually angry! You should try to cry! Flashy! What the hell? I'll be damned, kid! Never thought I'd have to fight anyone with the fullest extent of my power! You may be the real thing, brat, but it's time to die! What? No way!
I only allowed them to come out upon your request. This is what happens when I let them show. These are my emotions. Satisfied?
You some kind of monster? Enough! Razor Beam! Yes! A direct hit! The number of fights I've endured is what will decide the victor and the loser here!
I'm terrible.